sun is setting on the beach of Puertito De Güimar. Here's my tent. And now here is Isabel. And she's going to teach us now how we're going to do... tell us, you start the tutorial.
Okay.
Yes. What are we going to do now?
For this tutorial we're going to make a very simple bracelet, macrame bracelet, with a waxed thread that you can find basically on internet or many shops. And this is a way that I've been traveling for some time. It's got me through many adventures. A friend taught me how to do everything, so I feel this grateful flow of teaching whoever wants to learn and like putting it out there, because it's a very good tool, not only for gaining like money, but just for like an active meditation of putting your being into something creative and something that you can do pretty easily and has a nice effect. So this is gonna go in the inside.
All right.
You sort of make a measure. You leave some sticking out.
Okay, let's see if I can capture the camera. Let's go here.
Enough. So
Okay,
measurement, I don't know, some 20 centimeters around.
And it's like one string,
Double.
And it's like double right
Yeah.
there.
So that would be like this. Put it in half.
All right.
And then we're gonna need another long one, as long as like maybe you measure here 1 meter at least. If you need more, you can add it later. I'll show how. And here we're gonna leave this loop so we can put it on our toe. This is a very important tool I use.
Yeah. You can watch my toe also here. This is how it looks like. I'm right now working on one.
There you are.
Beautiful.
Adventure of today, creating a macrame bracelet. So here you just make a little simple knot around. Goes through the hole. Up. And now it's going to be a spiral that goes around these two in the middle. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to make like a hole in one direction, like a Q. And this long thread is going to go through that hole and out. And that's going to be the process, and you tie it pretty tightly at the end. Make the hole, make it go through, always out through the same side. And each knot, you mindfully tie it
Exactly.
at the end. And if you want to change colors or add another color, you can leave this one in the middle, take another string, whatever size, however long you want to make it. Cut. And again, tie it around. Make a little knot. All the pieces that you leave in the end, we're gonna burn them. So it doesn't really matter that we leave this sticking out for the moment. It's not an issue. So we make the P or the Q, we make it go round, and it's gonna just spiral around. And since we have the orange one inside, or even we could use those, but those are gonna go in the middle. So you can go very quickly, you can go slowly. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes love. So we're in no rush. Be gentle with yourself, whoever's going to try it out. For many of us who struggle with patience and tolerance to frustration, it's a it's a nice challenge.
Definitely.
Okay.
And then towards the end, like what do you do like when it's basically finished? Can you maybe?
Need the burning process. Do you have a lighter?
I don't have a lighter. We don't have a lighter.
I have a lighter.
Yeah,
right
we have a
here.
lighter.
Yeah. Because it's waxed, it's very easy to burn. So, for example, after each piece you've put inside and that's hanging out, you cut it pretty near, and it just sort of melts in. Your finger, make sure it stays there, and up. So it's sealed there.
Done amazingly.
There you go. It's a little bit like
Wow.
depending on the wind or whatever, you'll find it easier. And then towards the end, imagine like all of this, you get it all done until here. Let's think it's done. And you would open this bit and twist it around this way. You follow the way it twists naturally. You twist both ends.
Okay.
And at the end, you make a little knot. So that it doesn't get, you see like how it twirls together? This is going to be the end where you can knot it with the other end and then
It is
put
simple
it
knot.
around your waistlet. Yeah, simple knot at the end.
Mm-hmm.
You can burn this bit off. This should be a bit longer. That's alright. And this is what you would do at the other end when it's finished. So that when they're both, when it's all done, you would put them together and then just tie it, make a knot. Done. This would be for a little baby, I think.
All right.
That would be the fast version.
Okay, thank you so much. So let us know in the comments if you want to see more tutorials. We might do more of this. Like, and then you will find out how to make, like, how looks like an advanced one. Like,
this is the advanced.
this is how it looks like. This is just the beginning, and here's some inspiration.
Long
for you.
left.
Okay, thank you so much, Isabel, for sharing with
Pleasure.
us. Thank you.